What's up, guys? FPV here, and today we are doing a giveaway because, well, there's lots of crazy stuff going on right now, and I feel like doing a giveaway, giving back a little bit. So what I'm giving away is the GEPRC Dolphin. This is open to anybody in the entire world. I'll ship this out to you. All you have to do is leave one comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like the video. And on March 30th, I'll be picking a winner to see who wins this awesome quadcopter. I did do a review on this just recently, actually, and I'll leave a a link to this down below if you want to check out the review. But good luck, everybody, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.